Molding a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Molding a man, add some civility. Molding a man, builds your integrity. Molding a man brings dependability to family, and his words is bonds will stand with thee.
Hello everyone, I'm Richard Joseph Bias, and in my videos what I'm trying to do is help parents, mothers, and fathers with raising their son into a great man. So the videos are all geared towards raising that young man from adolescence all the way to manhood, college, and beyond. Hopefully you like the videos, just subscribe to the channel, and help us communicate what is necessary in this world to create a young man into a great man. Looking forward to hearing from you. Looking forward to see you subscribe to my channel. And thank you. 4 books every young man should have. The first book is Molding a Man, where it goes from adolescence to college, talking about all the things a young man should be doing in order to become a great man. The second book, 10 Steps for a Young Man to Become a Great Man, goes through all the things a young man should know about that'll help him become a great man. The third book, Code of a Man, which lets a young man know what being a man is all about. And the fourth book, Molding, Making a Woman, lets a young man know what he needs to look for in a woman to make her worthy of being a wife.
What defines success, and who truly holds the reins of it in your life? This question, my friends, is a riddle that has puzzled minds for centuries. Is it a stroke of luck, a gift from the gods, or perhaps it's all about the circumstances into which you're born? The truth is, these are all common misconceptions about success. We often look outside ourselves for its source, attributing it to factors beyond our control. But in reality, the key to success is much closer to home. It lies within each and every one of us. You see, success isn't something that happens to us, it's something that we make happen. Think about it. You can have all the luck in the world, but if you don't take the initiative, if you don't make the right choices, that luck won't get you far. Similarly, you could be born into the most privileged circumstances, but if you don't take responsibility for your own progress, that privilege won't translate into success. So if success isn't about luck or circumstances, then what is it about? Well, it's largely about personal responsibility and choice. It's about deciding what you want in life and then taking the necessary steps to achieve it. It's about learning new skills, pursuing higher education, gaining financial knowledge, and maintaining physical strength. Success is a journey, not a destination. And on this journey, you are the driver. You hold the map, you decide the route, and you determine the speed at which you travel. You're not a passenger, simply along for the ride. No, you're in control. Of course, this doesn't mean that the journey will always be smooth. There will be bumps along the way, detours and roadblocks. But with determination, resilience, and a firm belief in your abilities, you can navigate through these challenges and keep moving forward. So ask yourself again, what defines success and who truly holds the reins of it in my life? The answer, my friends, should now be clear. It's you. You are the architect of your own success. If you're ready to take control of your success, let's dive into the story of a young man who did just that. Meet John, a young man from a small town with big dreams. Born and raised in a modest family, John wasn't born with a silver spoon in his mouth. No, he was born with something more valuable, a burning ambition and the will to turn his dreams into reality. John's journey began in the quiet corners of the local library, his eyes darting across pages, absorbing knowledge like a sponge. He was not content with merely finishing school and finding a job. He had a thirst for knowledge, an unquenchable curiosity. He dedicated himself to learning a skill, computer programming. Night after night, he sat hunched over his computer, his fingers dancing over the keyboard, coding away into the early hours of the morning. His dedication was unwavering, his focus unshakable. John didn't stop there. He understood the value of higher education. So he worked 2 jobs, saved every penny, and put himself through college. It wasn't easy. There were sleepless nights, grueling exams, and countless sacrifices. But John pressed on, his eyes fixed on the prize. He excelled in his studies, earning a degree in computer science, all the while honing his programming skills. But John knew that there's more to success than just skills and education. He understood the importance of financial knowledge. He pored over books on finance and economics, taught himself about investments, savings, and the art of building wealth. He started investing, small at first, but steadily growing his portfolio. His financial knowledge empowered him, giving him the freedom to pursue his dreams without the burden of financial insecurity. And it wasn't just his mind that John was keen on strengthening. He knew the importance of physical strength and fitness. He hit the gym, pushed his body to its limits. He ran, he lifted, he sweated. His physical strength mirrored his mental strength, reinforcing his determination to succeed.
Ladies, I want you to help me create a world of great men. Buy my book and give it to your man. He will thank you, and your son will thank you too.
John's journey to success wasn't a straight path. It was fraught with obstacles, setbacks, and moments of doubt. But through it all, John stayed the course. He learned from his mistakes, picked himself up after each fall, and kept moving forward. His perseverance, his resilience, his unwavering belief in himself, these were the cornerstones of his success. Today, John stands tall as a self-made man. He's a successful software engineer, a savvy investor, a beacon of physical fitness. His story isn't just a tale of success, it's a testament to the power of personal responsibility, of taking control of one's destiny, of turning dreams into reality through sheer will and determination. John's story is a testament to the power of taking personal responsibility for one's success. Now that we know John's story, let's dissect it. What were the key elements that led to his success? To understand John's success, we need to analyze 4 critical aspects: learning a skill, acquiring higher education, understanding finances, and maintaining physical health. Each of these elements is a pillar, supporting the structure of success. Let's start with learning a skill. In the modern world, having a skill set is like possessing a golden key. It opens doors to opportunities, paving the way for professional growth. John, for instance, honed his skill in computer programming. This skill not only allowed him to secure a well-paying job, but also provided him the confidence to navigate his career path. So, the first pillar of success is acquiring competency in a specific skill, which can be your stepping stone towards success. Next, we move on to higher education. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm not saying you need a degree to succeed, but what higher education does provide is a broad perspective, a comprehensive understanding of your field, and a network of peers and mentors. For John, his degree in computer science was a foundation. It gave him the theoretical knowledge that complemented his practical skills. So the second pillar of success is higher education, which can be a platform for you to build your career. The third pillar is understanding finances. Money matters, and understanding how it works is crucial. John knew this. He learned about investments, about saving and spending wisely. He understood that financial stability was not just about making money, but also about managing it effectively. Understanding finances is like having a roadmap to your financial goals. It's about knowing where you are, where you want to go, and how to get there. Lastly, but by no means least, is the pillar of physical health. Success isn't just about professional achievements or financial wealth. It's also about being healthy enough to enjoy your success. John understood this. He made sure to exercise regularly, eat healthily, and get enough sleep. He knew that his physical health was the fuel for his mental and emotional well-being, which in turn drove his professional success. In essence, these 4 pillars, learning a skill, acquiring higher education, understanding finances, and maintaining physical health, are the foundation upon which John built his success. They were his roadmap, guiding him towards his goals. But here's the thing. These pillars of success are not exclusive to John. They are accessible to every young man willing to take responsibility for his success. So, what's stopping you from being the next John? In the grand scheme of things, the only person standing in the way of your success is you. It's not your circumstances, your background, or even your lack of resources. It's your willingness to take responsibility for your own success. Remember, every self-made man was once a dreamer who decided to take action. Think back to the pillars of success we discussed: the acquisition of skills, pursuit of higher education, gaining financial knowledge, and maintaining physical strength. Each of these elements is a stepping stone on the path to success. But they mean nothing if you're not willing to step up and take charge. Learning a skill isn't just about reading a book or attending a seminar. It's about dedicating yourself to continuous learning and improvement. It's about taking the initiative to become an expert in your chosen field. Pursuing higher education isn't just about earning a degree. It's about expanding your knowledge, challenging your perspectives, and honing your critical thinking skills. It's about pushing yourself out of your comfort zone and embracing the pursuit of knowledge. Gaining financial knowledge isn't just about understanding how to budget or invest. It's about becoming financially literate and making informed decisions that will secure your financial future. It's about taking control of your money instead of letting it control you. Maintaining physical strength isn't just about hitting the gym. It's about respecting your body, nurturing your health, and understanding the profound connection between a healthy body and a healthy mind. It's about valuing your well-being enough to make it a priority. The road to success is paved with personal responsibility. It's about making choices that align with your goals, even when it's tough. It's about holding yourself accountable and pushing yourself to grow, learn, and succeed. Success isn't a stroke of luck. It's a result of taking responsibility and making choices that align with your goals. So take charge and shape your success story.
Will change a young man's outlook and how he goes about life and becoming a great man. They're great gifts for birthdays, Father's Day, Christmas, and it can be given to any young man that's starting off in life. They're available on Amazon, BarnesandNoble.com, and WritersBrand.com also. Go check them out on Amazon and get your copies. A young man should have all 4 copies to ensure that he will become a great man. Hello again. Thanks for watching the video. See you on the next one.
It's nothing to play with. More than a man takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, builds your integrity. More than a man brings dependability to family, and his words is bonds will stand with thee.